Good day, good morning. It's 10:07 a.m. in the trading world. Yeah. So, it was a very, very different day today as compared to yesterday. It was so much normal, back to normal trading. Oh, I just loved it. I did, I don't know, a whole bunch of trades, whole bunch of scalps. All winners. All winners. Like, it was just awesome. Anyway, it's kind of doing a buy fake right now. But let's pull this in a little bit, like this. And let me get a swig of some vodka. No, I'm kidding. Swig of some water from the Great Lake of Lake Huron up here in Canada. And it's truly water from the heavens. It's so good. Okay, so we first had some. Oh, do I want to look at these here? Yeah. I want to show you the beautiful trades over here too, because there were some nice ones. I stayed up last night and traded mostly in the UK session. It was a little rough at first, but then I ironed out some good ones. So what do I want to look at here? Oh, it's right here. It's right here. We have higher highs. And a lower high on the indicator. And down she went. Boom, 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 boom. And then on the, well, we better make it bigger again. Then we gotta mark all the beautiful trades. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, and sell it, and down it goes. Okay, and then we had some, well, you gotta look a little harder for these ones. Okay. If you wondered why it went up in here, well, this told you. They basically bought off this level and they had a very, very beautiful bullish engulfing candle that reversed the from going down to up, and I did a trade in here and did good. Then we had the three amigos, 1, 2, 3. I already have it marked. This is in the UK session, okay, and right down to there. I already have that marked, and down it went. Then we had kind of a long divergence, but still it worked out. It definitely worked out, and it popped up here quickly and changed direction, as you can see. And then this is kind of looking like yesterday, right in here, and in here. Thank God they didn't do that today. Okay, then we had a divergence up here. Pretty crazy how they came right back to this, or I put this line today. I put it there like before it went up, okay, because that's the high of, here, I'll just show you. I'm pretty sure I could show you. That's from this high over here at the beginning of the UK session, which is the high of the day. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, see, that's the high of the day. We might go back up there here. We're working our way up. See right here? It's working its way back up. It's going to go right back up to that line. Maybe. Or it's going to come down to this line, which is the low of today, right over here. Okay? All right. Showed you There's one thing I want to say today before I just go on with this trade is that these levels that I have on my chart, okay, I told you what they were before. They're 50s and 100s and the pivots, okay? Very important. You can see how they're respected over and over again. See, it's respected right here, respected up here, respected this level here. They bought off of this low of the UK session. It's respected, respected, respected. That's just what happens over and over and over again. Those levels, you should have them on your chart. I know they kind of, you know, there's a lot of them that print up and it's distracting. I understand that. But I could not trade without these levels, okay? And all, like I said before, all that they mark is the 50s, so like the 20,000, 150, right? The 20,050 down here, that's the one in, you know, the one indicator with the hundreds and the whole numbers is this, you know, is the same indicator. It marks them, so I know where they are. I know that if price usually comes up to them, they'll sell off from it. If price comes down to it, they'll buy off of them. They're just so critically important. But anyway, it's up to you. What you want to do, you know, whether you want to use them or not, because they can save your bacon, boy. See right up here, maybe we're going to come back up here and go to the main pivot of the day. Plus, there's another whole number up there. It'd be 20,200. See, buy fake right here. See, watch. We're gonna come back down now. It's respecting the 20,100 level. You know how many people are buying in here? They're thinking, oh, this is the breakout. This is it. We're going to go back up here. It's not going back up there, is it? No. That's why it's so important to have those levels. So important, my friends. Okay, so now I'm going to show you these other trades. My higher close. Sell it right there. Down it goes. Here's another one, higher close, sell it, down it goes. And here's another one right here, higher close, sell it, down it goes. And there's one more, higher close, sell it, and down it goes. And yeah, that's it for that. Now, as you can see, we had divergence down here. So if you would have bought in here, I did this trade, but I waited till it broke this because I got in on this big candle here and it just rushed up quickly and I did the quick scalp. That's the last trade I did. I think that'll be the last trade I do today. What I need to do is shut the screen off and walk away. But anyway, which is very, very difficult for traders to do, as you all know. But anyway, yeah, so it did its rigmarole here, which I thought it was going to do. That's why I didn't jump in, because I got caught in this trap before, and yeah, I'm not going to do it. What's really funny is I call this the knuckle. I call it the fucking knuckle. Let me try and explain to you why I call it the knuckle. And I've just only started seeing this in the past in the last week or so. So don't ever think that you can learn everything and never keep learning. In trading, you can keep learning stuff. I've been trading 23 years and I just started seeing this knuckle thing. So just let me show you. Pretend that this line is your, in the middle of your finger, the middle knuckle to the, to the knuckle that's close to your hand. Just pretend that's what this is, okay? Then here's the, now we're starting. If we bend the finger, if you bend, you know, the finger you pick your nose with, just bend it and look and bend it and look in front, look at the front of it. Okay, this is the long part. Then it goes up, right, and then it comes down. Okay, that's the knuckle, if you know what I mean. And a lot of the times you don't know where the hell it's going from here, whether it's going to go up or it's going to go down. In this particular case, it came up, and right in here I just quickly clicked it and bought it and got out quickly right in here somewhere. And that was it. Here's another one, actually. Look, look. Right here is a fucking another one right before our eyes. Another knuckle. See it right here? That's that part of your finger, remember? Yeah, yeah. And right in here, it's the top of the knuckle, and then they take it fucking down. See, there they go again. There they go again. See? Another knuckle. See? Look, look. Put that there. It'll be more easy. Try and envision that. This is your finger. And you bend it, and it goes up, and then it comes back down. It goes up, and then it comes back down. It's the knuckle. That's my new trade I don't want to do, is the knuckle. Anyway, I know that looks weird, but what can I tell you? I see what I see. Do you see what I see? A star, a star. Doody doody doo 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 doody doo. Do 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 doody doo. I actually used to be able to sing. I can't anymore. I'm too old, I guess. I used to be able to sing, like, scream like rock singers. Just like my brother, but my brother was better than me. Yeah, he don't sing no more. He's 71 years old, my brother. Yeah. Don't know where he is either. Don't know if he's alive or if he's gone to heaven. Don't know. Anyway, looks like they're going to take it down again. Yeah, yeah. Push, push, push. Down we go. See how that bifake? Look at that fucking bifake right there. See that? There's so many people right now, they're going, fuck, fuck. They all bought in here. They all bought in here. And they're trapped. They're fucking trapped in this trade, and they took it down now. And they're going after their stops. Their stops are right under here. That's where their stops are, if they're using a stop. Probably most traders, they already would have bailed right here. They would have got out of their losing trade. Okay, so that's it for the NASDAQ on the Ninja. We're not going to look at the ES today. It looked like shit. Didn't look very good. Oh, look at them. They're going to tank it now. Okay, let's bring MetaTrader over and we'll wrap this up. Come on. There. So, this is the 5 minute. We were just looking at the 2 minute. Okay, that's the wrong one, isn't it? You betcha, Skippy. You betcha, Skippy, it is. There we go. There we go. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. I would not do this one down here, even though it worked out. I wouldn't have done it. Remember I told you, you always want to be selling near the top? Near the top, not at the top, near the top. So your sell would have been right there, and boom, down it goes. And again, right here, boom, down it goes. Okay? That's it for the NASDAQ 5 minute. Let's, oh, I'm looking at the wrong platform. Hold on. There it is. Sorry about that. Okay, there we go. So there's the 5-minute NASDAQ. Yeah, yeah. So there's this. Yeah. And then we go to the S&P. I told you it didn't look very good. Yeah. I don't know what I see in there. I don't see nothing. I see a fucking mess. That's what I see. I see people got fucked in here. If they bought here thinking it's going to keep going up, they rammed it down here. And then they rammed it down here. People sold down here. Yeah, that's the way people trade. They're chasing it. Like a cat or a dog chasing its tail. That's how a lot of people trade. And they get fucked. Because if you bought here because of this bullish candle, they rammed it right down your nose. And then if you sold it down here, they rammed it right up your nose, right into your brain up here. See what I mean? It's hard to trade like that. That's why you probably need to go to a 1-minute time frame. Let's see what a 1 minute looks like. Just for laughs and giggles, shit giggles. Okay, there it is. Okay. So we still had a buy fake here. And then we came down, look, lower low. Oh, no. There's not lower lows, but we have a triple bottom right there. This is the 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, you would have got in right here. Boom. This is the S and the P. It went up 12 points. Then you have more of these lower close. Right there, buy it, up it goes. I'm sure you would have done this one too, so it didn't really go anywhere. It just came down on you. And I would not buy a dip. I would not buy up here. We need to buy somewhere down here near the bottom. Shh. Shh. Don't tell anybody. Shh. It's the trade secret. Never sell at the bottom and never buy at the top up here. Shh. Don't tell anybody. Okay. You know why? Because they'll all want to do it too. You buy near the bottom, you sell near the top, and you won't get in trouble. Most of the time. Okay, let's look at the Dow. What did it do? Oh, yeah. Where's this motherfucker going, eh? Oh, look at it. Look at it. Daily chart. Look at it go. Look at it go. Crazy. Crazy Jane. And there's no divergence here to buy it. There's none. The only trade we got is this one. Lower close, buy it, and up it goes. That's it. Pound dollar. Oh, very choppy, very choppy in here. Yeah. I don't even want to put a mark on there. I don't see the trade. Stupid thing keeps highlighting whatever that box is with the numbers. It's prices. I don't know. Fucking weird. MetaTrader. That's MetaTrader for you. Okay, fuck that. The pound. Not trading you. What about the euro? Oh, look, the euro took off after it. Done some fake outs. Okay, I have to put this on pause, and when I come back, will be a couple new candles, maybe. Gotta go for a nature walk. Well, I was wrong about that. You ever heard that saying? Here I sit, broken-hearted, paid a dime, and only farted. That is so old. Because back in the day, okay, if you're young guys listening, back a long time ago, we had to pay 10 cents to get into the stall in a public washroom to go, for a poop. That's why it says, here I sit, broken-hearted, paid a dime and only farted. Crazy. Oh, maybe I still need to go yet. Who knows? Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I gotta pause it again. So sorry. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, like I said, in the olden days, paying a dime to use the washroom, they put a stop to that because that was not, you know, it's like human rights. It's like you're gonna make money. Actually it's still like that in Europe. I went to Europe back in 2015, and in Belgium they have this person working down there. They got the toilet paper to sell ya, and they got these towels to sell ya at McDonald's. At fucking McDonald's. Can you believe that? You go down these fucking stairs, and the place, it's so. Or no, that maybe it was in Amsterdam. No, it was in Belgium. It was in Brussels, Belgium. Fucking yeah, man. They had these people work the johns, work the toilets, and they want you to tip them, and they'll give you some toilet paper or whatever. Oh God. But anyway, long time ago, they realized no, it's not right to to charge people that are in need to relieve themselves. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Okay, anyway, that's the fucking euro. I don't even want to. I don't even want to mark anything. There's nothing really there. There's just a bunch of fake outs, you know? Sell here, take it up, get your stop. Buy here, take it down, get your stop. These are all fake outs. Fake out, fake out, fake out, fake out, fake out, fake out, fake out. Then finally it went down. That's what they're doing over and over again. You know, they're just faking everybody out and fucking and getting you. Okay, pound yen. What do we have here? Well, we have too many lines on the chart from before. Okay. Right here. Remember, I don't always include the wick. See right here. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Triple bottom. Just like this. And you would have entered right on this candle right here to go long. And went up 30 pips on the pound yen. Okay. Then we had the euro yen. What did it do? Oh, God. What was that? Look at this. Sell it down, take it back up. Sell it down, take it back up. Fucking bastards. Bastards! Okay. I don't see anything here. It's not divergent here. Oh, my eyeball got itchy all of a sudden. Please excuse my eyeball. Okay, let's wrap this up here. Yeah, this side is lower than this side. There's no divergence to buy in here. Forget that. Forget the euro yen. And now the oil, they sold it back down again today. Look at this. Where is this? 1 hour? Yeah, see? See, huge rally back up yesterday. I don't know what triggered that. But if you're, a trader who trades the 1 hour, you see this right here? There it is. You got to look for them and put a little bit of imagination in there. A little bit of, how would you say it? Tweaking. And you got the trade. You find the trade, right? You find the trade. Right there. And, yeah. So you would have got long. Yeah, probably right here. Right here you would have got long. And, yeah. It went up 287. So it went up 280. Almost $3 it went up. Right now it's sitting here. It looks like it's going to fall back down again. That's what it looks like. Unless somebody buys it up here before the end of the day. Okay, let's take a look at gold now. Did it give us anything? This is the 15-minute. Now I put it on the 5-minute. Yeah, I guess you could say we got higher highs. No. No, this one's going up as well. There's no divergence. There's no divergence for gold. All that we have with gold is we have a hook down right here. And we have higher close, sell it, down it goes. That's what we have. Okay, let's look at the cryptos. Bitcoin, yeah, it's still kind of hanging up there. XRP, they do what they always do. They take it up, and it stands up tall like a big boner candle, and then they fucking sell it back down again. See that? See that? It's giving you a dip to buy if you want to buy. But it does this over and over again. It's been doing it for 7 fucking years. I knew this was going to happen today before it even happened. I knew yesterday that it's not going to stay. It's probably not going to stay up there, and they're gonna sell it back down. And it's still not finished going down. I think it's going back down here, okay, and maybe even back down here, and they'll push it down lower. Who knows what they're going to do? But see the big pullback after the run, yeah. Okay, and this is silver. Yeah, it's pulling back now. And then Ethereum. Yeah, it's staying up there strong, just like Bitcoin. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, wow. Look at the... look what the NASDAQ did while I was talking. Shit, man. They sold her off. Hold on a sec. Don't go anywhere. Stay here. See that buy fake I told you about up here? Look. Right back down to new lows. Look at that shit. 19,940 it went down to. Down here. Oh, crazy. Crazy markets, man. Crazy. Anyway, once again, my name is Jason Sweezy. I'm a divergence trader, and I want to thank you all for coming out and watching and listening today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like what you saw today, give us a like, eh? Give us a like. And yeah, that's it. That's all. If you trade this afternoon, don't overtrade. Don't risk too much, okay? Just play it safe rather than sorry. Good luck and good trading. And I'm not a financial advisor.